Hit this little spot. Dude, it's electric.
No!
Swear, it's crazy. Pull these bridges and fall. Oh my god, it's making noises. I don't like that.
A lot of complaints, and this is like a big enough bike to where it can be licensed.
Alrighty YouTube, welcome to the channel. I just got my Stark back yesterday. It was getting fixed. If you saw in my last video, the front end was all messed up, the bars were all messed up and everything. So I brought it to my local shop and had him fix it for me. And then in the back there you can see I picked up that new sand tire because I'm going to be going to the dunes with this thing pretty soon. So I'm super excited for that. I'm curious to see how the Stark's going to do in the sand. The only thing that I am a little worried about though is I feel like it's going to die a lot faster in the deep sand, but luckily I do got this generator right here. I'll probably make a whole separate video about the generator and charge time and all that stuff because a lot of people do ask me that. But for today's video, we're just gonna do some urban riding, hit the streets, try to find some cool spots. But alright guys, that's enough of me talking. I'm gonna pull the bike out and let's get into some action. Let's hit this little spot. This thing sounds like a blender. Look at that, there's a deer over there. He's just staring at me. I found this little spot though. There's like a little trail it looks like, and then it looks like it leads into like a bridge or something. Let's see. Definitely wet back here, that's for sure. Yeah, a little bridge. Pull these bridges and fall. Oh my god, it's making noises. I don't like that. Let's hit this real quick. Thank you, man. I appreciate that a lot. Dude, it's electric.
No!
Swear, it's crazy.
How much was it?
Dude, I bought it for 12K. Yeah, it was expensive.
I was just saying, like, I couldn't hear you at all.
Yeah.
I was just looking at just the bikes today, the electric bikes.
Okay, yeah, like, well, like a Suron, or what were you looking at?
I just started. I was looking on Amazon. And
okay.
What are some good brands if you can recommend any?
So I would say for like electric wise,
yeah.
that are like more affordable, that are still good, I would get like a Suron.
Suron?
Yeah, they have like a Suron Ultra B or whatever.
Okay.
And I heard that one's pretty solid. This thing's ridiculous. I just wanted to say, guys, thank you so much for all the recent support on my videos. We're super close to hitting 2K, so I couldn't thank you guys enough. All right, let's let her eat right here. Oh boy. What's going on, man? How you doing? Okay, yeah, for sure. I'm just on the way back home, actually. I just got it fixed yesterday, so I wanted to make sure the bars were okay. I'm going out to Fox Valley on Saturday, so I just wanted to make sure it was all right before I rode home.
I get a lot of complaints, and this is like a big enough bike to where it can be licensed.
Right. It is an electric one. Like I said, I wanted to make sure it was okay before I'm hitting like jumps and stuff, and the bars are all crazy on me.
I hear you, man. All right, man. Yeah, I'm not gonna give you a hard time. Just
okay.
Obviously you gotta ride. I'm not gonna let you push it or whatever, but
okay. Yeah, I'll put it away.
Sweet, man. All right, well, I'm not gonna keep you, man. Just be careful with all the cars and all that stuff.
For sure. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. You have a good day. Let's send this little freestyle spot. Hit this. Let's go right between these. This feels good if you grease it here. Little wheelie over this. Oh, this is sick. No idea where this goes though. Bunch of trees. Oh yeah, that's a cool spot. Let's hit this other little stair spot that you guys have seen on the channel before. I'm in love with this bike, guys. It feels so good. It's so torquey. It is an absolutely beautiful day outside today. It's like 70 degrees. Cannot complain at all. Ooh, that's nice. Sneak around here. If you're enjoying these types of videos, definitely drop a like, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm pretty sure 98% of my viewers aren't subscribed. But until next time, peace out.